Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to solve this functional equation. Alright, if f of s plus 2 over s minus 5 equals 2s minus 2, then what is the function of f of s? So we're going to let u equal this one. We're going to multiply both sides by s minus 5. So it turns out to be u s minus 5u equals s plus 2. Now I need to solve for s in terms of u. So I'm going to subtract s both sides and add 5u both sides. So it turns out to be u s minus s equals 5u plus 2. Alright, so I'm going to factor s out. So it's going to be u minus 1 times s equals 5u plus 2. Alright, so divide both sides by u minus 1. So it could be s equals 5u plus 2 over u minus 1. So we're going to substitute 5u plus 2 over u minus 1 for s into this. And then we substitute u for s plus 2 over s minus 5. So this guy turns out to be f of u is 2 times 5u plus 2 over u minus 1 minus 2. Alright, so we're going to distribute. So it turns out to be 10u plus 4 over u minus 1 minus 2. And then we're going to write this one in the same denominator by multiply this guy by u minus 1 divided by u minus 1, right? So this guy turns out to be 10u plus 4 minus 2 times u is going to be negative 2u. Negative 2 times negative 1 is going to be plus 2 over u minus 1. Now we're going to simplify. 10u minus 2u is going to be 8u. 4 plus 2 is going to be 6. So it could be 8u plus 6 over u minus 1, right? Now we just rewrite f of u right here. Okay, so we just change the variable, right? So it turns out to be f of s equals 8s plus 6 over s minus 1. Alright, so this is what we need to find. And it's good time to solve. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.